Welcome to Dosatron University. This video will cover injection ratios and how to set your Dosatron to the correct setting. Most growers think that if you dial 1 to 100 on your Dosatron, you are getting 100 parts per million. That is not correct. In reality, 1 to 100 means 1 gallon of stock solution will automatically be injected into 99 gallons of water, totaling 100 gallons of solution. How do you make 1 gallon of stock solution? First, decide how many parts per million you want. Follow the instructions on your fertilizer bag for the amount of fertilizer needed to be dissolved into 1 gallon of water in your stock tank, with the injector set at 1 to 100. As the water goes through the injector, the Dosatron starts to pull up a precise amount of the concentrate from the stock tank. When 100 gallons of water goes through your garden hose or pipe, the 1 gallon of stock solution should be gone. To ensure that your Dosatron is working properly, we offer a mini maintenance kit that includes Dosaclean. Dosaclean is a cleaner that, when used, makes your injector parts come out sparkling clean with no scrubbing. If you have any questions regarding this video, give us a call at 800-523-8499 or visit our website at dosatronusa.com. This is Leela Kelly from Dosatron. Thanks for watching.